In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Slides into Google Docs. If you've ever needed to pull the text from a presentation into a document for notes, reports, or handouts, this walkthrough will show you a simple way using a free add-on. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser and load the presentation you want to work with. At the top of the screen, click Extensions. From there, go to Add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where we'll install a helper tool. In the search bar, type Slides Toolbox. Select the Slides Toolbox listing and click Install. You may see a permissions prompt, review it and continue. If the sidebar doesn't appear right away, that's normal. Just return to your Slides tab once the installation completes. Now, go back to the Extensions menu at the top, find Slides Toolbox and click Open. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, look for the section labeled Import Tools. This is where the conversion features live. Because our goal is to create a Google Doc from the contents of your slides, choose the option that outputs to Docs. In some interfaces, you'll see similar wording like Create Slides from Google Docs as well. Make sure you're selecting the one that produces a document from your slides, not the other way around. After choosing the Docs output, you'll be prompted to pick where the content goes. Click Docs, then click Select. The add-on will process your presentation, extract the text, and build a new Google Doc for you. Larger slide decks or those with lots of images may take a little longer. When it's done, open the new document and skim through to tidy up headers, bullet spacing, and any image placement. The tool focuses on bringing content over efficiently, so a quick pass to format it the way you like is usually all that's needed. A couple of tips before you wrap up. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you have edit access to the source slides file. If Slides Toolbox doesn't appear under Extensions, refresh your browser tab and try opening it again. That's it, your slide content is now in a clean Google Doc, ready to share, edit, and print. Your original presentation stays untouched, and the new file appears in your drive. Rename it, move it into the right folder, and share it with collaborators as needed.